This is boring. There's loads wrong with it. Like there's no colour, doesn't stand out, it has no character, it's dull, very generic, and there's no style. So we could try brighten it up by adding a little something to it. However, now it's blindingly bright, and there's only one place it should live. So I decided to make my own colourful frame filled with character. What better material to use than this old scaffold board? It's really important to see if your mitre saw is set up correctly. Use a piece of scrap wood to see if the joint lines up. I want to keep its rustic look, so I'm only going to take it through 2 grades of sandpaper. First, 180 grit. And then 280 grit. I'm using antique pine wood stain because, well, it's pine wood and it's old. This is still not right. It has the character, but not the colour. So we need to have another go at this. I'm going to route out a channel in the frame, but to check it's in the centre, I'm going to make a small cut one way, turn the material around, and if it catches the bit, it isn't central, much like this isn't. You could also measure to check. Whenever you're filming fancy shots like this, always be careful where you keep your camera. Otherwise that happens. To add colour to the frame, I thought I'd use crayons. Fortunately, I have a crayon tree at the bottom of my garden. If you don't have access to something like this, you have to buy some from a shop. Unfortunately, they're never as good as fresh homegrown crayons. Some of the crayons melted over the edge, so I used a sharp chisel to square up the channels. This also helped add rustic character. An air bubble had formed in the crayons, so I used a lighter to remelt the area. And this is perfect. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please consider subscribing.